Hi guys! In this video, let's do a number problem. So the problem is the mirror images of the calculator digits 1258 or 1528 respectively. Some number containing the four digits 1258 is added to its mirror image and their sum is 5,000. What are those numbers? Let's find out. Now, here, calculator digits. So how do those look like? Now 1 would look like this, and 2 would look like this. 5 would look like this. And 8 would look like this. So now the mirror image of 1 for calculator digits would look just like 1. And 2, well, if we flip that, that would be like 5. So that means 2, if we mirror it, it would equal 5. So now here, 5, right? So now if we mirror it, it would look like 2. So that means 5 would be 2. If we mirror it in 8, well, 8 will just look like plain old 8. Now some numbers containing the four digits 1258 is added to its mirror image and their sum is 5,000. So now the four digits 1258, so it's containing them, but they can be mixed around. Like it could just be 5128, so we don't really know. Okay, so now here let's write it. So let's say 1 as first. 1, 2, 5, 8. Okay, so now here let's move the 8 over here. Then it would be 1, 2, 8, 5. Now let's move the 8 over here again. That'd be 1, 8, 2, 5. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so now here we've found these for 1. Now let's say 2 is over here. Instead of 1, there's 2. So it would be 2, 1, 5, 8. So I'm just going to do it. Okay, so now here, this is all we can write because if we go to 5, well, it would be 5,000. So now it would obviously be higher than 5,000. So we can't use that. Well, now we have to mirror these images. So now let's draw lines like this so we don't get confused. Just going to draw it through here. So there's only one line. Okay, here, I'll just erase this bit because there's not a lot of space. Okay. Okay, so now here we have to mirror these numbers. So now if we mirror this number, it would be 8, and the 5 would be 2, because that's what it's shown here, and then the 2 would be a 5, and then a 1. So now let's do the same thing for all the other numbers, so I'll just do it now. Okay, so now here, we need to cross out the numbers that are higher than 5,000. So now here, 8,251 is higher than 5,000. This. Okay, there we go. So now here, we have to add these and look, see which one equals to 5,000. So if we add this, well, this has a 1 that's a 5, so it'll be 6, so that can't be right. Same thing for this one, so let's cross these out. Okay, so let's go here, 5, 5. Well, let's move it over here. 5,000. So if we add both of these, it equals 5,000. So that means, now, that means the answer is 2,185. Well, it's not actually not the answer because what are those numbers? So it has an S. So there's more numbers. Let's cross this out because we already used it. Okay, let's look here. Oh, wow. If you look here, 2815, right? This is the same number as this, and this number is the same as here. So that means we know if we add them, it equals 5,000. So now another answer is 2,815. Now let's cross that. Let's look if there's any other answers. Well, that's 1, 5, no. 1, 5, nope. But these we can't use, so we crossed out all of them. So that means the answers are 2,185 and 2,815. Let's do math every day and like this video.